So I know you've been following this whole debate of the Indiana religious freedom law. There's a lot of misinformation out there. I have my opinions on it, but I thought, what the heck? Let me go get the expert on religious liberty who works at the Heritage Foundation to find out what's going on. And to do that, I'm going to talk to Ryan Anderson. Ryan, thank you for talking.
Thanks for having me.
So there is so much half-truths and the like out there. What is the most important thing for people to know about what's happening with this Indiana law?
Sure. Half-truth is putting it nicely. There are just a lot of flat-out lies. The Indiana law in all of its essentials is the same exact law as the federal law that was passed 22 years ago, unanimously in the House, sponsored by then Representative Chuck Schumer, with 97 votes in the Senate, sponsored by Senator Ted Kennedy, signed into law by Bill Clinton. It's the same legal standard that 30 other states have governing their state courts. So this is the legal standard. It says that if government's going to substantially burden the free exercise of religion, can only do so for a compelling state interest in the least restrictive way possible. It's governed our federal laws and our federal courts for 22 years, and it governs 30 different states in their state governments and state laws. The sky hasn't fallen. There hasn't been any accusations of discrimination or anything bad like that.
Now, you did a debate last night on MSNBC, and if folks didn't see it, I would encourage them to watch it because the host actually cut your mic. That doesn't happen often in live television.
Never happened to me before.
What was your reaction to that?
You know, at the time I just thought, how sad is it that we can't actually just have a civil discussion about what the disagreement here is? But then as I thought about it more, they eventually brought me back on and I said, look, big business gets to operate in accordance with its values. MSNBC gets to run its TV show in accordance with its values. I don't have a right to be on his show. I don't have a right to have my microphone turned on. And yet he wants to force a 70-year-old grandmother to do flower arrangements for someone else's same-sex wedding. Why can't the small business, the small family business, run its business in accordance with its values, just like Apple gets to run its business in accordance with its values? And yet the CEO of Apple is one of the ones who is currently boycotting the state of Indiana. It's total hypocrisy.
Well, I know you've done a lot of work on this issue, and I want to encourage everybody who's watching us here to check out all of Ryan's work on thedailysignal.com. You can even find the MSNBC interview.
Yep, that's on the Daily Signal.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.